The camera is on. So it's time to roll. Finally a vlog after so many days. Hello everyone, this is Roadrunner and this is my bike. I'm on my way to office. This vlog is for a little update I want to give you about my CBR. So let's roll.
Unicorn Zombie Apocalypse.
Is it blinky? Okay, is it? It is. So this is Thane Creek and yeah, I have taken a different route today. Since on the Thane Belapur road the traffic is crazy. So yeah, small update about my CBR is, yeah, I have just got it serviced after the 6 months, or I couldn't ride the bike on the 6 month much, so it's around 5,300 kilometers now, and I've completed like 5,200 before servicing, and yeah, I have completed 6 months. So I have completed 6 months with this bike, and so I thought of talking about this bike and overall performance, cost of maintenance and everything. So yes, so I have done like second servicing, so that cost me around 3k this time. The cost of first servicing was 2,200 and now the second time it's around 3k. So what they have done additional this time is something called engine flushing. I don't really know what is that, but yeah, they have charged me like 600 for that, and so the cost went up and hence it became like 3k for the second servicing. But it's fine. The bike feels very smooth after that. My clutch setting was also screwed up, so they have fixed it, and I guess the horn was also screwed up a bit, so they have fixed that also. And the chain needs lube, and I guess it was loose also, so they have tightened the chain and stuff, so that helps. The bike feels smooth now. I can feel the difference from before servicing and after the servicing. So yeah, it's not that bad. The 3k I have spent on the servicing. And again, many people have been asking what is the average you get. So people on highway, I get around 35 something, and in city, if you talk about bumper to bumper traffic, if you are moving in that, so it kind of screws up. I mean, worst I can get is 25, and overall in city it's around 30 kilometers. So it's not that bad. I mean, from this kind of bike, I don't really expect good mileage also, but whatever it is giving me, it's like sufficient. Seriously, I do have another bike if I really want to commute in city traffic, so that doesn't matter to me much. So yes. So since I'm done with the second servicing, I'll be doing a bit long trips, well, longer than before probably. Let's see. The work has been crazy, people. I don't really get time to edit the videos and go on rides also, but I'll try my best. And but I promise you I'll be consistent with the uploads. And yeah, I do not have a very big audience right now, but whoever is following me are very active subscribers. A big thank you to everyone. And so I don't get to ride CBR much nowadays. So today I'm taking it to the office. It's around 60 kilometers It's kind of small ride for me. Yeah, a lot of people ask me why CBR. So that is a very big topic, to be honest. But a simple answer I have for you is that it's all comes down to what you are looking in your bike. There's nothing else, nothing else. No reviews, nothing. What is priority for you? That should matters while choosing a bike. So yes, the CBR caters my needs, and it does everything correctly. Okay, I'll not say it's out of the box. Whatever she does is it's adequate. It's not like mind blowing and stuff, but yes, it's adequate. The sweetest thing I tell you is that mid range. You know, it's when it's above 5, the bike pulls like so linearly. The bike pulls like so linearly. I fucking love that, the mid range, and it's superb. It's superb. One thing I want to tell you about this helmet is that it's a bit heavy. It's not like super heavy, like if you ride it for 2 hours you'll build neck muscles or something like the MMA fighters. But yes, it's a bit heavy, and it does take its toll on your neck sometimes. So yeah, you gotta consider that if you are looking for this helmet. You know, I'm still okay with it. Actually, the reason is that with camera it gets even heavier. So that kind of makes it a bit uncomfortable. Yeah, about the servicing, I'll put all the details of all the parts and everything they have charged me in the description box below, and you please check and tell me if I've been ripped off, obviously. But yes, do tell me that. And about the last video of 10 things I hate about my CBR, it was just a challenge. I just had to do it, so I did. Otherwise, it's a very good bike, people. It's a very good bike. Yeah, there is another motovlogger called Stroll Motovlogs. He is from Bangalore, I guess. So he also got 250, a full red 250. You make sure you check his video of 10 things he hate about. So you can check his channel also. And yeah, there are not many CBR vloggers out there. There are like very few. One is maybe the most popular one is Delhi Downshift. He's got a 150. And maybe a couple of other vloggers also. So as always, people, thank you for watching. Bye, take care, and ride safe.